Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking materials and priorities. Choose 3 colors so each function has a clear purpose. That reduces decision friction. Once done, list 10-15 exam topics and assign 1 note per core concept. This forces focus. Write only 1 6 words plus a mnemonic. Keep cues sharp so recall works under pressure. Make sure to prepare a small stack of backup notes and a pen with fine tip. That ensures legibility and quick edits. Now you turn notes into a study system. Arrange them in logical sequences, cause then effect then an example, because ordered cues trigger chain recall. Use arrows, numbers, and symbols to indicate directionality and priority. This visual grammar speeds retrieval. Once grouped, convert long explanations into condensed retrieval cues that make you reconstruct the full idea. As you practice, re-stick notes where recall is weakest. Repetition plus repositioning strengthens memory contextually and reduces forgetting. Finish with active recall and rapid adjustments. Run 3 timed drills of 10-15 minutes using only sticky notes. This simulates exam pressure and reveals weak spots. Once a concept is consistently recalled, archive that note to a review stack. Keep only challenging cues on display. If something fails during practice, test under distraction, then tweak color, wording, or location. Small changes often restore retrieval. Make sure to rest between drills. Consolidation requires downtime for memory to stick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.